Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Please note that there's a second version of the A9 out there, the basic one, the smaller one, and it's a bit different. So this is why I'm telling you this. So this video is for the A9 Plus. Okay, first of all, we will need next to the tablet also the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if I open this box, then we will have another little white box here inside. Now, here has been the tablet in before, and then down there you will find another little white box. If you open it, you will find a cable, some instructions, and at the bottom we will have a little SIM ejection tool. Just remove the rings like this. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the tablet like this, you will find now below the tablet here the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, for the tablet you will have two versions out there. That means we have also two different SIM trays there. So one like mine here with a black plastic there, or another one with a cellular version, which one allows you to insert here in front a SIM card. Then you will have a little space there. But anyhow, which version you have, it is always the same what I'm showing you right now, because the SD card have always the same space here at the end of the SIM tray. And this is how it should look like then. So the SD card just fits like that. This is how it should look like then. Oh. Okay, and the contacts, they are below. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put this SIM tray back into the SIM slot. So the written stuff of the SD card is here to the display side. Just close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos, so which one shows you how to transfer data then from the internal storage to the SD card. And so now you can also subscribe me to don't miss new videos. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.